We're going to need pineapple, mango, strawberries, blueberry, baby spinach, water, and ice cubes, and we just put it all together. So here is the recipe that we're making today. We're doing the berry tropical smoothie from the Ninja NutriBlender recipe book that comes with the NutriBlender. So let's just throw it all in the blender. If you get a pack of mixed fruit, you can just pick out what you want. That way, if there's something that you don't like in your smoothie, you don't have to add it. So I'm just gonna throw these all in. Now we're adding the blueberries. If you like sweet smoothies, add a little bit more. If you don't like sweet smoothies, add a little less. That's my tip. The next step is to add spinach. So just grab a handful and put it in. And now we just add ice and water. And since I don't have a lot of room, and I don't think we really need ice because we got very, very frozen fruit, I'm just gonna add probably 1 or 2 small ice cubes. And now we're ready to blend. How you know how much water to do, you just go to the max liquid mark. That looks like a very beautiful smoothie.